Nestled near the narrow window of an old train, a little nightingale named Niva perched quietly on a velvet cushion. The train swayed gently, its nut-brown wood and golden knobs gleaming as the countryside blurred past. Beside Niva lay a necklace. Not just any necklace, but the long-lost necklace of Norwood, thought to be missing for nearly 100 years. Niva had found it tucked in a hidden nook by the window. She glanced around nervously. She couldn't wear it, of course, but she felt its importance. On the back of the locket, barely visible, was a name: Nora. Night crept in, painting the windows navy and indigo. Niva fluffed her feathers and nudged the necklace closer, careful to keep it safe. As the train slowed for the next stop, the door opened, and in stepped a woman in a neat coat, scanning the car. Her eyes locked onto the necklace. She gasped. Niva chirped softly. "Nora," Niva seemed to say. In that quiet, magical moment, the necklace was returned. The necklace of Norwood had found its way home, thanks to the noble little nightingale, Niva.